I've been making Raki from vodka for a while, and now I'm gonna share with you how to make it. It's pretty easy. You just get a bottle of vodka and then anise oil and mix it. And here are the steps. This is gonna be a real-time video. You can forward if you like. As you see, this is the anise oil, and here is the Smirnoff vodka. That's what I prefer. And that's the level. You're gonna kind of take it out a little bit in another container or in a glass to put the anise oil to make sure that it doesn't overflow. There's that plastic cap. You can take it out at this point, or you can just pour the anise oil inside. And here it is. Now you see the milky part, but don't worry about that one. When it mixes, it's gonna be clear, which the Raki should be clear until you put water, right? And here you put the lid and then shake it a little bit before real mixing, just to mix the anise oil like a little bit. And the idea of this is anise oil becomes milky when the alcohol level goes down to less than 35%. So that's why it becomes milky when you add water, because alcohol level goes below 35%. And I don't want to repeat things. And here it is. Now we mix it a little bit. Now, of course, we're gonna put that mixer that you can buy it actually from IKEA, or some stores, sell that little mixer that is pretty popular these days. And here I'm showing you that one. Yeah, you have to take that plastic out in order to put this one in. This is pretty good tool to mix it. Previously, in my first attempt especially, I didn't think about this one, and I was constantly shaking with my hand, and it was still okay, but it had kind of like bubble oils inside. I couldn't completely get rid of the bubbles, kind of like a clear marble looking bubbles, which is an anise oil that it's not blended nicely. But this tool is really like doing an awesome job. As you see, now it's going to create a kind of vortex, and that means the oil is going to reach all the way to the bottom, so the whole content is actually going to blend nicely, and literally you won't see single anise oil sphere, like little bubbles. And it will stay this way until you completely finish it. It never goes back to those bigger bubbles. But if you do it with your hand, since you cannot mix it well, little bubbles are attracting other fine molecules of anise oil, and it grows. But if you completely mix it, they're not going to be able to have a chance to merge together. That's the idea of using this mixer tool. As you see, clearer and clearer, and I don't see any bubble in bottom or top. And now let's go ahead and put it in a, this is actually specifically for Raki. It's a Turkish glass. And you put 1/3 of Raki and then 2/3 of water. As you see now, it's gonna get milky. See? And the taste-wise, it is a Raki, because that's what the Raki is. Pure alcohol and anise oil, a little bit sugar inside, but I don't like sugar inside. I like this way. But if you would like, you can put just a teaspoon of sugar inside. And of course, this the dressing up. You can just print your favorite Raki brand and just stick it on the bottle, so it would be, like a spiritual. Also, you'll feel it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more.